Well, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Pepe update today. And Pepe is really suspicious, at least for now. And I want to show you something. I do want to show you something, and that is back in 25th of October all the way up to 29th of November, Pepe did have this pattern here. So you're looking at this little bit of I don't know, maybe a head and shoulder if you want to say. And all of this head and shoulder, it actually show that you're pumping to the upside, you're coming down, maybe break below and then go to the downside. But what happened is you ended up breaking above that resistance here and you pushed up and you went all the way to the upside. Now, some traders are going to say that what you see here was a smaller version of what is happening here. Do you see this bigger one now? Okay, and are they teaching you that, hey, we printed out a pattern like this and then we pumped it up, so we're printing it again, so because we pumped it up here, history is going to repeat again, and then we're going to push it up like this? Is it going to happen though? Right? Can it happen? Well, there are chances, or there's a chance always. So let's bring in this resistance line right there, and also let's extend the line over here. We have a junction coming by 17th of February next month, so it's going to take maybe 20 more days. So in 20 days we will get to know if the history is going to repeat itself, or are they going to just pump it up to 1186 and then drop it to the downside. I don't know. Now if they do pump it up to 1186, this is a good 9%, 9.7% move to the upside, which you can actually get as well. And that's pretty much all for this video. Let's see what happens, and I'm going to see you the next one in the office.